AI filmmaking just got a huge upgrade, and honestly, I don't think many creators have discovered this workflow yet. I've been experimenting with different ways of creating animated stories for a while now, but imagine taking one simple idea and turning it into an entire animated movie. Plus, you can use this same workflow for product commercials, cinematic short films, kids' stories, pretty much anything that needs multiple scenes with a workflow that's faster, consistent, and a whole lot easier than most I've tried. No more creating every single image one at a time, or fighting with how characters look from one scene to the next, and less credit wasting trying to fix scenes that are almost right. Here's the thing, a lot of people are already using AI to create storyboards, but most of them are skipping one important step, and that one step can make a huge difference in the quality of your final animation. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through my entire process, from start to finish. And while the improved quality is fantastic, I think the biggest win is how much time and even AI credits it has saved me. Before we jump in, if you enjoy learning new ways to use AI to create amazing content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Alright, today I'm going to be using a few AI tools, and I'm already inside one of my favorites, Dzine. Over here, I've already created several storyboard sheets. I've been using this workflow for the past few weeks, and I have to say, I love it. The image quality is fantastic, the characters stay incredibly consistent, and it makes planning an entire story so much easier. But instead of jumping straight into the storyboard, let me first show you the step that makes this entire workflow work so well. Okay, I'm in ChatGPT, and this is what the final product will be. Something like this is what I used to make the video you saw just a couple of minutes ago. This is my character, and you can see here is the large image of him, and here are some other images, from the back, from the side, three-quarter view, etc. Plus, you can see several expressions on his face. So this is my character sheet, and this is a really important step in this process. You don't want to overlook this because this is the thing that's going to give your character consistency throughout this video making process, so that the AI knows exactly what the character looks like from different angles and with different expressions. Let me show you the process. Here is a character model sheet prompt sheet I have created. It includes the instructions and more. I will put a link to this in the description below so you can get a copy of it if you want to. So here's the process. You go to ChatGPT, open up a new chat, then follow these directions, okay? Now I'm in Dzine, and next I'm going to actually create my storyboard page. So I'll come right here. You could choose any of these. I'm going to keep it on GPT Image 2. I'll upload my character image there. Next, I'll post my prompt for this and here like that. It's just a little bit long, so let me fix it. Okay, now my prompt is in there, including an idea for the story overall. I've chosen ChatGPT Image 2. I'll choose 16 by 9 and leave it at 2K for now. Image quality-wise, you'll want the best possible. Then I'll just click there. Here's what it gave us. You can see it's created 15 different panels, and on these panels there are simple directions, details, and many different images. Then download it. Time to go to the next step. So, time to make a video. Alright, so I'll take this storyboard image and add in right there. I'll also add my last prompt here telling the app to use this storyboard to create a fully animated film, preserve the character consistency, bring each panel to life, etc. I'm going to choose Seedance 2.0 right here, just like that. The next thing I'll do is click on this and open it up and choose at least 1080 and also 15 seconds. Okay, I've chosen Seedance 2.0, added my storyboard image, so let's click on it and see what we get. So here's the storyboard video it just made for me. For now, we'll pretend that this is the video for the image I made a few minutes ago, but this is a storyboard video I made a few minutes ago, so the topic is very similar. So we'll click on it. The different scenes in the storyboard image showed the AI basically what it should make. As you can tell, these are 15 seconds long, so all in all, this is a really good format to follow. The main thing I like is now we're working with 15-second chunks, and I'm not having to piece a bunch of smaller videos together. And if I wanted to make a longer movie, I would just chain several of these together, one after the other. And that's the basic process. Let me show you the final video. Now let me show you another example I made using this same workflow. One of the things I really like about this one is how much more dynamic everything feels. You've got different camera angles, multiple actions in each scene, and there's a natural flow from one shot to the next. It almost feels like you're watching a real animated movie instead of just a series of AI-generated clips. But here's the cool part. Everything stays consistent. The character looks the same throughout. The art style doesn't suddenly change between scenes. That's because the storyboard does all the work up front. It plans out the entire sequence first, and then the AI simply brings each scene to life. And honestly, that's what makes this workflow so powerful. Instead of trying to figure things out scene by scene, you plan the entire movie before you ever start animating. That makes the whole process faster, easier, and a lot more repeatable. I'd love to hear what you think about this approach, so let me know down in the comments. And if you want to try this yourself, I'll also include all of the prompts and frameworks I use throughout this workflow down in the description.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.